Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fast Up IELTS. Today's topic is something unique, but it is the most important topic for getting a higher band score in the IELTS speaking test. Some candidates have lower confidence for speaking in front of the examiner, but they want to crack the IELTS speaking test. But how it can be possible with lower confidence? So in this video we will learn about how to build self-confidence for taking the IELTS speaking test without any hesitation. My confidence tips may help you to remain your confidence, speak in confident voice, speak without hesitation, speak without error, and many more. I will give you just 2 confidence tips and also give you complete explanation about how these confidence tips may help you to build your confidence and also help you to get a good band score in the IELTS speaking test. And finally, you will become able to speak confidently in front of the examiner and will get a higher band score in the IELTS speaking test. So let's see that real confidence tips. So the first tip is forget everything. Forget about all the negative thoughts. Forget about your previous mistakes or errors, and also forget about what will happen at the end after taking the test. But how and why? You should have to forget about your former mistakes and also forget about your future result, because it always distracts you from thinking about some important ideas related to the question. You can forget it with the help of my second tip. And the second tip is focus. But focus on what and how. You should focus on your present with the 5 main things. So the first thing is make eye contact with the examiner. If you are not able to do this, then I have an idea for you. You can look at just the face of the examiner, whether it is or her nose, head, or etc. By doing this, examiner finds that you may be able to speak with different people without any hesitation. And now let's move on to the second main thing, that is just relax. You should have to sit in a relaxing, comfortable and active position in order to make your body relax and mind sharp. But how your mind becomes sharp? I will explain it in 3rd, 4th and the 5th tip. So what is the 3rd main thing to focus? The 3rd main thing to focus is listening. You should have to focus on listening to the questions that speaker asks from you, so that you may not have to ask for repeating the question again and again. Catch the question at the first time may make a good impression on the examiner. The 4th and the most important thing to focus on is understanding. Understand the question completely and find the main thing that asked from you by the examiner, and you have to answer to the question just related to that main thing with some explanation, so that your answer will be relevant to the question. And now it's time to reveal the 5th and the last focus point, that is, think about your best answer instantly. Look at the face of the examiner, but your mind should focus on just thinking about the ideas related to the questions and present your ideas logically. Now, what are the main logics behind these ideas? If you forget about everything, you will forget about your fear, as especially negative thoughts give birth to fear. So, if you forget about everything or forget about negative thoughts as well as your future results, your fear will become negligible or zero. And when you forget about everything, your fear becomes negligible. Then you can focus on your work or aim. And your aim should be give the answers accurately and completely. And when forget and focus will work, you will become able to speak confidently in front of the examiner. So now it's time to forget, focus, and just practice. I hope you will get right and the most important information in this video. Don't forget to give a like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel if you acquire some knowledge here. Thanks for watching this video. Watch out some more videos for cracking the IELTS test. Have a nice day.